In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get mastery in League of Legends. By the end, you'll know exactly how the mastery system works and how to move from the early levels into the higher tiers with confidence. Champion mastery is built on two pillars: time invested and skill shown. The timepiece is called Mastery Points, or MP. You earn MP simply by playing your chosen champion in match-made games, like normal, ranked, or ARAM. Every game you finish on that champion adds to your total, and that total is what drives your progress through the early levels. If you're just starting out, think of MP as proof that you're putting in the reps. Queue up regularly, lock in the same champion, and let those points stack. Levels 1 through 4 are fueled entirely by MP, so consistent play is the quickest way to clear that first stretch. Once you reach the threshold where commitment alone isn't enough, the second pillar kicks in: Marks of Mastery. Marks are earned by achieving strong in-game performance grades and completing seasonal milestones tied to those grades. Your grade reflects how well you played compared to other players on the same champion and role, so it rewards thoughtful, well-rounded gameplay. This is where you show you're not just playing more, you're playing better. To raise your grades and earn marks, focus on the fundamentals that the system values. Farm efficiently to keep your gold and experience up. Take smart fights, maintain good kill participation, and minimize avoidable deaths. Place and clear vision to help your team secure objectives like Dragons, Rift Herald, and Baron. Play to your champion's strengths. If you're on a split pusher, pressure towers, and avoid unnecessary skirmishes. If you're a teamfight mage or support, be present for key engagements and protect your carries. After each match, check your post-game stats and look for small improvements you can make next time. Those incremental gains add up quickly in your grades. Here's how the progression fits together. From levels 1 to 4, you only need MP, so keep playing your champion in match-made modes to climb. From level 5 onward, you need both. Enough MP to show your continued commitment and the marks of mastery that prove you're hitting strong performance milestones. As seasons roll over, new milestones give you fresh opportunities to earn marks. So keep practicing and revisiting your fundamentals. Stick with one or two champions, play consistently, aim for clean, objective-focused games, and you'll steadily collect the MP and marks you need. That's the path to real mastery.